Sorry. I've muted. I was muted. Sorry. Yeah. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another crypto webinar. It's Crypto Trade Room. Her says, sorry to ask, I am in Solana longs 150 to SL 150. Okay, so I assume you are in this long. And if you are in this long, if I was in this long, I would definitely reduce my risk. I'll keep my stop loss now below this low. So, and I'll hold it because I'll show you something. Bitcoin. So I remember you're long on Thursday Bitcoin. So this is the area where you guys are trying to long, but I've cautioned you guys that this might be a manipulation also. Better you need to wait. We need to wait. That was my comments on Bitcoin price on Thursday, right? So just look at it how it turned out. Entire bearish move started from there. So now, if you look at it, I still feel we are due a retracement into this weekly bearish bullish fair value gap. So I still feel this is possible. Now, especially now with no significant POIs left over here for price to move higher, I definitely feel we are going to see this down move at least to 100,000 levels back. I booked this in Ethereum, taking some profit to this Solana. Let me show all of you that picture also. One of our member has shared this. So what did you say, bro? You booked this in Ethereum, taking some profit. Okay. So you've traded this Ethereum. Setup is basically price accumulated, broke out of that range. Okay. Very good trade. Well done. Very well done. And yeah, sorry. What was I saying? I was talking about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I think maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but probably in this week or even the coming week, we are going to see this move now towards at least 100,000 levels. That's my expectations for the coming week. And if you look over here, a trend line is also forming up from higher prices. So that is a very good scenario for longs, but not from here. I need at least a liquidity sweep of this low. So 102,000 to below 102,000 would be a very good opportunity for longs. So at this point, I am not building any long positions in Bitcoin because of these reasons. So two things. If you observe a bit closely again, we have even invalidated a bearish fair value up here also. So now two things might happen. Either we might see a direct move from here lower, or or we can move a bit higher back into this fresh unmitigated daily bearish fair value gap, and then probably uh, continue heading lower until we tap this weekly bullish fair value gap. So this is my take on Bitcoin as of now from these two time frames. So basically for this week, I'll be bearish and I'm expecting price to tap below 102,000 levels as of now. Now, let me go look for intraday bias. So now let's come back to 4-hour time frame. So we have discussed about two scenarios, right? We have discussed about two potential scenarios in Bitcoin now. Either in daily time frame, either we can see price doing this, or we can see price doing this by by retracing back into this daily bearish fair value of undoing that. So if at all that this is going to happen, this could be a very good there could be a very good long opportunity here. So let me just quickly compare this with Ethereum. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I'll be right back. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, sorry, I'm back. Back. Yeah. So this could be a good opportunity for longs in Ethereum for intraday. So let me look for Bitcoin Ethereum ones. Let's try to compare these two ones. Okay. So fair enough. Okay. Let's remove Ethereum. Okay. So yeah, this sweep looks promising. Tapped into this order block here. That sweep definitely looks promising. So if this is going to work, Harsh, your trade is going to work. If this is going to work, your trade is also going to work. And let me go to 1 hour time frame. But I think it's not worth trying this long, to be honest, because you are going to face a lot of obstacles in the form of this bearish fair value up, this bearish inversion, this breaker here, this high probability order block here. So you are going to face some problems if you are longing this. At this point, price has tapped into this fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, and let's see if we can get some reaction here. So not forcing anything at this point, but we will see how are we going to react at this point. So that is all of Bitcoin. I want to see how we react here. So probably we have 20 minutes left. Let's see how we close this 1 hour candle, how this 1 hour candle is going to close. Then probably we can decide more. 4 hour still has 1 hour left. So let's see. Let's see how it's going to be. Now let's come to Ethereum. So similar story, but with some more strength here. That we have this order block which we have been talking from past 3-4 weeks, and we have this bullish fair value gap here. So I'm expecting price to retrace back into these levels, as I said, as I was expecting a similar kind of structure in Bitcoin also. Now let me go to daily time frame. So this looks really good for shorts, in my opinion. Ethereum looks really good for shorts. So even on daily time frame, if price taps into this daily bearish fair value gap, I'll be definitely looking for shorts from there. And 4 hour, 4 hour nothing. I won't be playing anything here because we have this huge resistance area right above our head. So I won't be playing anything on 4 hour. But just look at how are we creating these liquidities. Just look at how we are creating these liquidities. I'm really interested in a short here. So I'll be waiting for price to tap these areas around 2500 500 areas, 2550 areas. Then I'll be definitely interested in a short in Ethereum. Uh, like Ethereum, in Bitcoin, I can't see any good trading idea as of now. We'll see how price develops in this course of time. So that is my main analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yes. So this is my take on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin being bearish to neutral for the week, neutral to bearish for the week. But the question is whether we are getting that huge move directly from here, or we are retracing back and then moving lower. So that is the only question which we have now. Apart from that, Ethereum looks much clean than Bitcoin. Very good looking sweep, liquidity sweep of those highs, and very good liquidity build up happening at these lows. So I think Ethereum looks very good, and I will be ready for this shorting setup in Ethereum. So those are my two. The Ethereum will be my pick for the day. I'll wait for price to tap into that area, and let me look for some other pairs. Solana, as I said, kind of make or break level for Solana, in my opinion. If we are breaking that, then the next stop should be around these areas, 147 areas. But as of now, I'm not seeing anything evidently bullish on the chart. So we have just tapped this daily bearish fair value up today, and we have seen a very big reaction from there. And can this small portion hold the price? We need to wait and watch. I don't think it is going to hold the price, to be honest. I think we are going to see this unless only one condition, that Bitcoin takes support here. Sorry, Bitcoin takes support local bot. Bitcoin makes local bottom here and goes for the daily fair value gap. Unless that scenario happening, I don't see bullish Solana, at least now. Looking at the way how it came back, it looks like a V-shaped recovery for me. So it is definitely bearish for me. So probably some consolidation here and then a dump. You can expect that. So that is on Solana. Cardano. So can you see this? Solana, it is somewhere here, but Cardano has done the move. Very similar structures. I can show them side by side also for you guys. Okay, just look at it. Very similar structures, but why did Cardano has already done the move? That's because of the overhead SMT we have. So here Solana has taken out these highs, whereas Cardano hasn't taken out those highs. So this is something called SMT, which we focus more in our community. So SMT basically this gives us a bearish confirmation on Cardano. So that's the reason Cardano has moved that much when compared with Solana. Rest all the times both will be very similar. Both will have very similar price action. But over here we have seen that big move just because of SMT at those highs. Okay, so let's come back. So nothing much. We definitely these lows are definitely a point of interest for me. Uh, Obviously, it might not happen today, but in the long run, I am expecting this for Cardano. All bullish structures got distorted. To be honest, can I share coin at good POI? Yes, you can. XRP. See, even this. We were very bullish on XRP until and unless price doing this doing this until Thursday. But Friday price closed below that. So now it's not bullish anymore. We have these equal lows also here. So probably now what might happen in XRP is okay. So okay, guys. So by looking by having an initial glance at altcoins, probably I think we are cooking for another down move, even in Bitcoin. Let's see that. Let's see. So now price has tapped this inversion. Probably I'm expecting another move lower. But whenever we are going lower, observe this. We are going lower by creating lots and lots of buy side liquidity. That is a point to note. We are going lower by creating lot of buy side liquidities everywhere. So maybe overall we can be bullish, but for a bullish move, maybe we might see something like this. So we'll see. We'll see how it unfolds. Shared lot of charts. Atom. Okay, even on daily it looks good. Atom. Oh, you also shared it in daily only. Okay. Okay, makes sense. I understand what I'm watching. Basically, this order block area, this demand area here, and you're expecting price to move higher. I think it is too good to be true, to be honest, Harsh. Uh, I don't think we're getting that move that easily. If we get, probably I'll be out of that move, but I don't think I'll be able to trade that. And what is the next chart you have shown? Dash USDT. Okay, at least Dash looks a bit okay because of these lows getting swept here. But the real move has stopped once price took out this high. You need to consider that also. So yeah, what you shared makes sense. Makes sense. But too much of chop for us to execute here. And this chop makes me think that something like this is probably going to happen. Then probably a move higher again. I think I'm leaning towards bearish bias to be honest. For the day, not for the week. For the week, I'll be bullish. For the day, I'll be bearish on that dash. Now, Doge is also same. So all the coins are in accumulation phase, leaving good liquidity at the lows. So I think every high move from now will be a very good opportunity for short. If we are not doing this, if we just do this, I'll be definitely watching for shorts from somewhere these areas, some of the supply areas from there. In this also, dot. Again, the same thing. Two things again. It can consolidate here, or I want this to do. I want price to do this. If not, I won't be comfortable longing this with all of this liquidity being unswept here. IOTA, similar kind of story. Wait for these weekly lows. Oh, okay. You are also saying you need to wait for these lows to get swept. Yeah, then yes. Then those are all great picks. Nice, nice, nice. Nice watch list, bro. If you're waiting for these lows to get swept, then that would be a really good opportunity, in my opinion. So now let's revisit Bitcoin. So, as I said, I think we should lean towards a bearish bias now. Let's see. Let's see. Can we get some trades here? So, I will be interested in bearish trades here. I'll tell you how am I going to play this. So probably if we break this low now, if we break this low now, so I need something like this to happen, and then this order block should be left unmitigated, and then I'll be ready for a trade here, targeting the recent low. So this could be the potential trade which is playing out. But obviously, I don't think we're going to get any entry at this point. But it might be cooking. It might be cooking. Bitcoin might be cooking for that trade. So we will. I'll definitely share it in Telegram. The trade. So for all the people who are watching in YouTube, Telegram is free to join. Telegram is free to join. You just need to sign up with CoinSwitch. That's it. You will get access to Telegram where we'll share all the live trades, live trading setups, all those things for you guys, and it is absolutely free. Yes, you can find the links easily from our admins. You can just log in. You can just you need to just sign up. That's it. That's the only thing you need to do. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to do. You don't need to subscribe anything. Nothing. Just sign up. We can trade together. So our stats this month, we're up 5 are already, and we'll see. So you, if you join Telegram, you will see detailed stats there also. It will be updated by the end of the day, and you can see easily all those stats. So yeah, this is what I'm watching in Bitcoin. Uh, yep. Now I've stopped somewhere around here, right? Yeah, Doge. I've discussed that. Rune. See, uh, I mean, understand how are we setting our bias. First, I have analyzed Bitcoin and Ethereum as I always do. I always analyze Bitcoin and Ethereum first, just to have a rough idea of what markets are doing. Then I'll go analyze main altcoins like Solana, Doge, Dash, Rune, Cardano, all these things, so that I'll get some more idea of what price is doing. So once I analyzed these things, I thought, okay, we might be bearish and a potential bearish move is incoming. Then I went back to Bitcoin. So in Bitcoin now we are reacting nicely from 1 hour bearish fair value gap. We have 4 minutes left for 1 hour close. So if we close it well, probably somewhere here, that would be a very good close for bearish trades in 1 hour time frame. So if we close below this, and if we move again like this, so basically my setup is that only, right? You need to have an inducement, you need to have a confirmation of bearishness. So here we'll see that shift coming in for bearishness and an inducement, and then an unmitigated fair value gap plus order block, very high probability setup for me, and we can mark that. We can just have a trade here. So done. When will you teach about futures trading? Are you talking about crypto futures? Crypto futures, there are a lot of videos there in the academy already. Just contact Care. They'll guide you through all the videos. There is already a lot of content on futures trading crypto. Normal futures trading, as of now, we are not doing it. We'll be focusing on FX and crypto futures and crypto option selling also. So for okay, for if anyone here doesn't know that, we also do option selling in cryptos, which is running very smoothly. So there we target every week 2%, and from last 2-3 months we have been able to do that 2-3% every week. Again, it is also free. It will be done in a different Telegram channel. All the trades, all the analysis, all the stats will be shared in a different channel for option selling. You can join that channel also. That is also for free only. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to our admins or our people in social media. So that's it. So yes, so I was expecting something like this today. So let's see. I'll alert you guys in Telegram if I see something interesting in Bitcoin. So in Bitcoin, Ethereum, I can see shorts playing out, but at this point, we don't have any setup here. So now let's go to Rune. Price tapped into this very aggressive reaction there. Sorry. Into this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. Probably we need to go for these lows. but these equal highs are also really good. Due to rains, my net is not working properly. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, you can contact Care, bro. He'll help you. I have we already have a lot of what do you say? Lot of resources for futures trading. He can definitely help you with that. Rune, nothing interesting at this point. Drawn liquidities on both sides, so better to ignore that. Ethereum Classic, again, we are building here. WLD also looks similar. PNB or D. Come on, just look at this. How all these things are, and how many of you remember this trade? We closed this thing at break even, but oh my god, just look at it. That's what I'm saying. We are right on bias almost all the times. You can go check the Telegram channel also. We are right on bias at least 90% of the times, if not more. But obviously, as a trader, as a human being, you can't be right all the times. So yeah, this does this hurts? Yes, but can I make it again? Can I make a profitable trade again? Yes. So it hurts, but it don't. I mean, yeah. So that's it. Again, now price is doing the same thing. Again, we are building up. So any higher opportunity, any higher rise in prices will be a better opportunity for shorts for me. So I'll be looking for that. And at this point, this looks interesting for me. This area. I'll set an alert here in Audi to look for shorts there. And yeah, let's see. Almost all the coins are giving out similar kind of structure. Almost all, creating a lot of liquidity on the lower side. So all these equal lows here, and OP also. OP looks too good to be honest. We will see. Bitcoin Cash, nothing doing there. So now, since we have our bias ready, it will be very easy for our markings. We just need to mark uh, zones which you feel like price can react from there. So this could have been one zone. This could have been a trade also here. Since we have missed this, let's just watch how is it going to react here. I'll put it in the watch list folder. Dot. Let's put this. Let's just watch this. How is it going to react? It, they are nothing much. Very same. Very similar thing. Cardano. Okay, Cardano also looks good from here for shorts. Let's see. Let me put this in watch list. Nothing much except this. One inch looks decent. Link. also decent. Either this. Okay, I think we have missed the bigger trade here. This should be a good trade, but there is no clear inducement here. Probably B trade, B grade trade, not more than that. Okay, one more thing which you need to note down is all the currencies. Sorry, all the coins which I have marked as my watch list are also doing this, are also creating the trend line higher. That is one thing which we need to make a note of it. So maybe another manipulation can also be done. So I'll be ready with two zones. First would be this, second would be that, like that. Now, if we retrace back, WIF looks good. Trump USDT. Bitcoin, let's see how it goes. I've given a trade idea there. Let's see how that goes. Sushi, nothing there. BNB, nothing interesting. Here is also nothing interesting. Okay, this was a trade which I took a hit on Friday. Yes, Friday. So looked very good. Basically, if you remember on Thursday, we have discussed about this trade setup. So thought of getting a continuation move and initiated a trade there, but obviously it didn't go up according to my bias. So I've took a hit here. See how we think. TAA, I haven't entered. I was just testing this. There was no trade there. Rune is also playing out, going lower. Okay, so I think we have analyzed well, and we are left with these things now. My main preference goes to Bitcoin. As I said, I need to see something like this in 15 minutes here. So first, I need to see some more impulse, then it moving higher, then it moving higher, probably a small move back again. Then we can look for shorts from this area. So I would be definitely interested in a setup like this. So this being my highest priority now, this becomes my highest priority, and all other things I'll keep in my watch list and watch them. Why did I add bake? Bake has nothing to do here. Same with me here. OP. Okay, yeah. OP basically creating liquidity high on the highs and lows. So that is there. Dot. As I said, we are watching this dot rate. I think we've missed the entry. There is no entry now. We still get 1 is to 1.5, but I won't be interested in entering now. So let's just watch this trade how it goes, and let's just wait for that Bitcoin trade. And in the meanwhile, if we get these trades, Cardano, that will be good. And even 1 inch also. Cardano. So my preferential order now will be one. We missed this dot trade, so that obviously one. Two will be Bitcoin. The scenario which I said, I'll be waiting for that scenario. If I get that, I'll take a trade and I'll alert you guys in Telegram group. And third, Cardano. Cardano. Yeah, Cardano will be my preferential trade. Something like this. I'm not placing any limits yet because I need to see how Bitcoin is going to react from now. So I'm not placing any limits. If I place any limits, I'll be definitely sharing those things in the Telegram group. So yeah, this is my analysis for the day, for the week. Now I'm happy to answer you guys if you have anything. Hari, are you talking, bro? Can't hear you. Okay, you are not. So yeah, again, guys, you are asking me in WhatsApp, Instagram that can I join Telegram? Yes, you can. Just now I've got two messages how to join Telegram. So basically, you just need to click on that link which our admins are sharing in your Instagram and YouTube. Just click on that and you will be taken to a bot. You need to open CoinSwitch account, and once you connect your CoinSwitch account to that bot, then you will be directly added to the Telegram group. Okay? Yeah. So what is up? Just give me 1 minute. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I think these will be top picks for me. I'll basically for every hour or two, I'll just go through all these stocks one more time. I'll just go through all these stocks one more time for every hour or two, uh, just to make sure I won't be missing anything. I'll be going through all the stocks, all the sorry, all the coins. But for now, for this at this point of time, these will be my watch list. Bitcoin being the main. So I want to see Bitcoin closing below this to initiate all the bearish trades. So yeah, I'm open for your questions now. If you have any questions, you can ask. or else we can just watch how price is doing in this trade. Dot. Ideally, we should have taken this trade, but we have missed it. We'll just watch it now. So as it, we need to see now whether we are going to get this scenario or we are going for that ultimate scenario which we have discussed. Anyway, we'll get some trades today, so not an issue for me. Anyway, we'll get trades. Both ways, we'll get trades. It's just a waiting game at this point of time. We just need to wait now. So, for all the new people who are watching it, what can you expect from these lives every day in the schedules which we are going to mark, which we are going to have? Number one, first and foremost, just give me 1 minute. 1 minute, please. Okay. First and foremost, daily market insights and pre-session plans. So basically, every day I'm going to join live and I'm going to give the market insights, basically analysis for the week, for the day, for the month, like that, and trades, trade breakdowns. Trade breakdown meaning whatever trades which we are taking, which we are trading in Telegram group, all those trades will be explained here. Number three, possible trades. So if we can get some trades on live, we can take that trades live also. Taking trades live will be challenging because there is no certain time for crypto's volatility. But there are times where we took trades live in the session. So if you're serious about leveling up your trading and want to learn from live setups, I would highly suggest you joining every day and keep an up to date checks on in our Telegram groups. We have one more channel, that is option selling channel, which is going very good. So you can look at that also. So now, as I said, it's just waiting game. We just need to wait and see how price is going to behave here. So my entries, someone asked, will you enter on first tab or switch to lower time frame and FEG or volume imbalance entry? In crypto, basically, most of the times I'll be entering directly on 1 hour time frame because I'll be more confident on bias here. If I feel less confident to hold the trade for a day or two, then only I'll shift to lower time frames and look for trades there. But most of the times, I will be very confident on my bias. So, and I wouldn't mind holding the trade for a day or two. So, I would be majorly, I'll be taking trades from 1 hour time frame only. Crypto option is not available for me in coins where it shows coming soon. What should I do? Is it? Let me check. No. Probably you need to update your app, bro. I think it is live. Options. I can see options in my platform. Probably update once. I can see options. And people are trading options also. So I don't see an issue there. Christo, bro, if you are there, if you are hearing, can you confirm it? Options. Sorry, Ritvik, bro, are you there? I deleted and reinstalled also. Okay. Okay, so I think one of our team member will. Okay, yeah, Christo is here. Thank you, bro. It's not available yet. Okay. Okay, so looks like I've given early access for the beta program. Never mind, but still you can use that. You can use as Christo said the other exchange for the time being. So Friday we have option selling live. Oh, great! So as the man himself said, every Friday you are going to have option selling lives, similar to what we are doing now, futures live. So in that live, he'll explain everything. Cool. So mark out this trade, guys. Mark out this trade in your systems. Uh, am I regretting that I'm missing this trade? Probably not, because I can do this again also. So not an issue for me. So no regrets, but we'll see how this goes, and I'll update you guys in the Telegram channel if I get any trading setups. So cool, guys. Thank you for attending the session today, and it will be the end for today. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow at the same time. See you guys. Bye bye. Have a great day.